Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings, then tap to connection section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to this switcher by this way. After that, you'll see here the list of all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and enter the password. Then just tap to connect. Wait a second and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate the Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.